Introducing Carbolink Sports, your premier sports flooring partner. Get ready to elevate your sports facility to new heights with our cutting-edge sports flooring solutions. We are thrilled to introduce Carbolink Sports, a supreme manufacturer of top-quality sports flooring materials. At Carbolink, we understand the crucial role flooring plays in enhancing performance, safety, and overall player experience. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing processes and unwavering commitment to excellence deliver high-performance surfaces that athletes and sports enthusiasts can rely on. Whether you're building a professional stadium, a community sports center, or a school gymnasium, we have the perfect flooring solution. Our range of durable, versatile, and aesthetically pleasing materials caters to various sports, including basketball, soccer, tennis, and more. What sets us apart? Here are just a few highlights. Uncompromising quality. Our flooring materials are engineered using the finest materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and exceptional performance. Safety first. We prioritize player safety by incorporating advanced shock absorption and slip-resistant features into our flooring solutions. Customized solutions. Our team of experts works closely with you to understand your requirements, delivering tailor-made flooring solutions that perfectly meet your needs. Innovation and technology. We consistently bring you innovative flooring solutions that surpass expectations by staying at the forefront of industry trends and leveraging the latest technological advancements. Sustainability. We are committed to environmental responsibility, employing sustainable practices throughout our manufacturing processes to minimize our ecological footprint. Partner with Carbolink Sports for superior sports flooring that will elevate your game, impress your players, and impact your sports facility. Contact us today to discuss your project and discover how we can transform your space into a sporting masterpiece. Let's take your sports facility to the next level together.